Hi, this is Denny Ravel at Honda the Ozarks, and as an essential business in our community, we wanted to let you and everyone know that we are still here for you. We are taking extra measures to ensure both the health and safety of our employees and our customers. We have face masks and hand sanitizer at the front desk as you enter in the dealership. We're also ramping up our cleaning at night and throughout the day. Looking for parts and accessories? Go online to HondaTheOzarks.com and fill out a parts request or give us a call here at the store. We can ship directly to you, or you can schedule for a curbside pickup. We have associates standing by to take care of you. Needing to get some service work done on your motorcycle or four-wheeler? Then go online to HondaTheOzarks.com and fill out a service request or give us a call here at the dealership to schedule your appointment. We'll make sure that your unit is disinfected and cleaned before it goes back to you. We're also offering free pickup and delivery within 50 miles of the dealership so you can stay in the comfort of your home. Please be patient with us as we try to follow all of our local ordinances that have been set in play. We're limiting the amount of customers that are allowed inside the dealership, so we highly recommend that you go online or call in to schedule your appointment to make the process as smooth and fast for you.